Hello everyone, my name is Pedro Cardenas and today I'm going to talk about my family. I have a wonderful family made out of my mom, my dad, my sister. My mom is a very dedicated woman. She was at school doing various tasks to keep clean and organized. She is woman of faith. One of her greatest passions is serving God, and she dedicates a lot of her time to it. She also loves cooking delicious meals for our family. In addition, she is a craft woman. She creates beautiful handmade things with a lot of creativity and love. My dad is very hard working man. He sells cheese for a living and puts a lot of effort into his work every day. In his free time, he really enjoys getting together with his friends. He is sociable and he offers person who values friendship very much. My sister is currently studying law at university. Just like my mom, she loves cooking. She is also very hard working and dedicated to her studies. I admire her a lot because she always gives her best in everything she does. These are the most important people in my life. I feel very lucky to have such a hardworking, loving and talented family. Thank you for listening.